In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. So I'm starting here by going to Messenger in my browser, and once the page opens up, I'm just waiting a second for everything to load properly. As soon as I'm in, I'm going to look up toward the area where my profile picture is, because that's where the setting menu starts for this. So I'm clicking on my profile picture now, and that opens up the account menu inside Messenger. Once that menu appears, I'm going to look through the options and find Preferences. That's the one I need for this, so I'm clicking on Preferences right away. Now I'm inside the section where Messenger keeps some of the display and account settings, and this is where the dark mode option should show up. At this point, I'm just looking for dark mode, and once I see it, I'm going to choose it. As soon as I click dark mode, Messenger switches over to the darker look. So the background changes, the overall screen becomes darker, and that's really the setting turned on. It's a very quick change, and you'll usually notice it right away because the whole appearance of Messenger updates as soon as you select it. There's not a long setup for this one, which is nice because it only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. I'm just staying here on the screen for a moment so you can follow the flow clearly. I went to Messenger in the browser, clicked on my profile picture, opened Preferences, and then selected dark mode. That's the whole path, so if you're doing this on your own screen, you really just want to focus on those three main clicks because everything happens inside that small settings area. Now I'm going through it again while it's still open, just so it feels easy to repeat. First, open Messenger in your browser. Once you're in, click your profile picture. After that, select Preferences and then choose dark mode. As soon as you do that, the display changes and Messenger moves into dark mode. This is one of those settings that's really simple once you've seen it once, but if you've never opened the profile menu in Messenger before, it can be easy to miss. So I'm just showing it slowly here as I click through it. I'm in Messenger, I'm clicking my profile picture, I'm opening Preferences, and then I'm selecting dark mode. And right away, the darker theme is applied. If you're following along, just take it one click at a time, and you should be fine. There's no extra setup here, no complicated menu path, and no long process to save it. You're simply opening Messenger in the browser, heading into the menu from your profile picture, and turning on the dark appearance from Preferences. Once that's selected, the change is visible right away. So again, I'm on Messenger in the browser, I click my profile picture, I choose Preferences, and then I click dark mode. That's it, a few quick clicks and the look of Messenger changes to the darker theme. And that's how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger.